Hi guys, and welcome to another tips and tricks video. My name is Praxitelis, and in this video I will show you how to divide members into their surfaces in RFEM. Sometimes it's necessary to carry out a more detailed analysis for certain areas of a framework. To do this, we need a FE mesh on the surfaces of a member. You can insert the individual surfaces manually, but this is quite complicated. Small hint at this point, this function is only available in a 3D model. So let's start by clicking on a member and selecting Generate Surfaces from Member in the Tools menu. And here we can go through the settings first. In the new window, we can now select how to divide member or cross-section arcs, whether frontal plates should be created at member ends, or even define the target FE mesh length. If we are done with the settings, we confirm by clicking OK and generate the surfaces. Instead of going to the menu again, we can simply right-click on the member and then click Generate Surfaces from Member. This way, our HEB 200 beam is easily divided into its individual surfaces. It's important to note that the surface thicknesses of the cross-section are transferred. To display this in color, you can go to the Display Navigator and then select the Surface Thickness option under Colors and Graphics according to. And to see the exact surface thickness, you can simply double-click on the desired surface. We also have the option to display the surface thickness on the model. To do this, go to the Display Navigator again and under Solid Model and Surfaces, click on Filled including thickness. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, feel free to leave us a like and see you next time.